Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to support the idea of Chinese-German networks, as we had one in the form of DCHAN, the German-Chinese Alumni Network, which just is about to finish and had a lot of information meetings in which representatives from both countries shared important information about their content, their research, their markets, and their personal views. Also in the future, I am sure in the context of the increasing national activities that we face worldwide, such networks will contribute significantly to a peaceful, prosperous, and future-oriented global society. Thank you very much.
In the current difficult times, it is particularly important to cultivate networks. Academic networks play an important role in this, and therefore I very much welcome the activities of the Sino-German alumni network DCHAN-Engineering. I have worked on several projects with my friends at the universities of Nanjing, Shanghai and Chongqing in recent years, and have always found the cooperation very valuable. I hope that new partners will meet and further cooperation will take place within the Aachen Alumni Network, and I thank the actors on the German and Chinese side very much for their commendable work.
We would like to build on the experience of DCHAN at RWTH and FC Jülich and open up and further develop the network. A key strength of DCHAN was to build a specialist network that was oriented towards the needs and interests of its members. This should also be the case in the future. With our project Entrance, funded by the BMBF, we would like to transfer the liveliness and added value of DCHAN into the future and offer our alumni, students and scientists an attractive opportunity to stay in touch with RWTH, FC Jülich, or the associated partners of the network. Not out of nostalgia, but because it is exciting and meaningful, and hopefully also because it is a living professional community.
Dear all, now that the Chinese-German Engineering Alumni Network project is coming to an end, I would like to thank you all for an interesting exchange throughout the last months and years. We learned through best practices, how to improve our cooperation, how to stay connected, and how we can understand and overcome intercultural differences. I believe we are now all assured of the need for a German-Chinese alumni expert network, not only as a tool for our further communication, but also to be able to understand each other better now and in the future.
I first got in touch with the DCHAN network in 2019 during my double master's degree at Tsinghua University. Personally, I can say that I benefited a lot from the network. Not only did it get me in touch with my current employer, Coastal Asia, but also I gained a lot of industry insights during the meetings, and most importantly, I got in touch with all the people connected in that network. So I would like to take that opportunity now to thank Jesus for his hard work, and I hope that I see you all again in the future.
Colleagues and friends, it's my great pleasure to congratulate DCHAN-Engineering alumni to achieve the success in the past years, and also continue its wonderful journey in the future. Actually, I've been working at RWTH Aachen University for more than 13 years. As a material scientist and now a professor for material science in Germany, I learned a lot in the DCHAN Alumni Network. I do believe this is really an extraordinary platform to promote collaborations and innovations, of course in different ways, internationally and also interdisciplinary, with the partners from both scientifically and also industrially. I wish all the success and fruitful future for DCHAN-Engineering, and I'm really looking forward to the future collaborations with all of you for many years more. Thank you very much.
Dear friends and colleagues of the DCHAN-Engineering Network, as a coordinator of the double degree program between Tsinghua and Aachen University, I'd like to thank Mr. Hisu Chang for all the events, symposiums, colloquiums that he has arranged within the last 5 years, either in Germany or in China. For more than 20 years, we have a double degree program for mechanical engineering students between Tsinghua University and Aachen University. More than 1,000 students have joined this program since then. Many of the graduates and students joined the events, and they got the possibility to have an inside view of latest technological research topics and also got the chance for networking. I hope that the network that has been built up within the last 5 years will continue, so that this network will be a platform for future cooperation and exchange between Chinese and German engineers. Thank you very much.
Dear alumni, dear ladies and gentlemen, DCHAN has created a space where students, alumni, researchers and entrepreneurs could interact, a vibrant space of encounter and collaboration. This project has made an immeasurable contribution to building an alumni network that not only looks back, but rather creates added value for all parties involved in the present as well as in the future. It is extremely important to me as Vice Rector for International Affairs that this space of exchange and interdisciplinary network does not disappear with the end of the project period. We still need this exchange today, or even more than ever. I would therefore like to see DCHAN as a prelude, not as a project that is coming to an end, and appeal to all of you. Please stay in touch.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lianfei Xu. I'm Associate Professor at the School of Vehicle and Mobility in Tsinghua University. Now here I'm responsible for teaching and research activities in automotive fuel cell technologies. In past years, I studied in RWTH Aachen for about 2 years and worked in Fortune Central Jülich for another 2 years. I'm very glad to join the DCHAN-Engineering project, which can be regarded as a bridge between the two countries. In past years, I gave 2 speeches on the recent research progresses of automotive fuel cell technologies in China, which received very good feedbacks from our audience. In the future, I hope we can get more understanding of each other and get more cooperation on hydrogen and fuel cell projects, and hope we can work together to contribute more to the carbon neutralization of the whole world. Thanks very much. Vielen Dank.
Meine sehr geehrten Damen und Herren, Datja, Xiao Hao. Mein Name ist Frank Kemper. Ich habe das DCHAN-Netzwerk jetzt schon einige Zeit begleitet und freue mich darüber, dass so viele Menschen in Verbindung getreten sind über dieses Netzwerk. So viele Alumni in Kontakt bleiben konnten und hoffentlich auch in Zukunft bleiben werden. Und selbst Alumni der RWTH, und ich weiß, das ist schon was Besonderes, wenn man an seine Ausbildungsstätte zurückkehrt, wenn man andere Menschen trifft, die die gleiche Ausbildung genossen haben. Man hat immer was Verbindendes. Und ich glaube, das braucht es in diesen Zeiten ganz besonders. Etwas Verbindendes zwischen den Menschen, zwischen den Nationen, zwischen den Kulturen. Und das habe ich selbst auch erfahren. Ich war lange Zeit selbst in China. Ich zeige ein paar Bilder im Hintergrund. Ich war in Hangzhou, eine ganz tolle Stadt, die sicherlich die meisten sehr gut kennen. Es war eine tolle Zeit für mich und ich habe sehr davon profitiert, von diesem kulturellen Austausch, davon so viele nette und interessante Menschen kennenzulernen, und ich profitiere auch heute noch davon. Ich würde mir sehr wünschen, dass das Netzwerk, auch wenn jetzt die offizielle Phase ein Ende gefunden hat, dass das Netzwerk so tragfähig geworden ist, dass es aus sich heraus weiter bestehen kann und hoffentlich auch weiter wachsen kann. Es ist etwas ganz Wertvolles, was da entstanden ist. Im Übrigen, jede Form der Kooperation zwischen Deutschland und China ist sehr wertvoll, weil wir doch eben feststellen, wie wichtig es ist, diese Brücken zu bauen und eben auf Verständigung da zu setzen, wo ansonsten vielleicht die Kanäle doch zum Erliegen gekommen sind. Also, ich wünsche das und Ich hoffe, dass ich auch in irgendeiner Form einen kleinen Beitrag dazu leisten kann, mit Ihnen in Kontakt zu bleiben, neu in Kontakt zu treten, für diejenigen, die mich nicht kennen. Und ja, vielleicht, dass wir uns eines Tages auch wieder in China treffen können. Ich würde mich sehr darüber freuen. China ist für mich eine zweite Heimat geworden, die ich jetzt schon eine Weile nicht mehr besuchen konnte. Und ich hoffe, dass das bald auch wieder anders ist, dass wir wieder in normalere Zeiten kommen und dass wir die internationale Kooperation wieder so pflegen können, wie wir das so erfolgreich aufgebaut haben. Das sollten wir uns nicht kaputt machen lassen. Und ich bin zuversichtlich, dass uns das auch wieder gelingen wird und hoffe, dass dieses Netzwerk dazu auch einen Beitrag leisten kann. Herzlichen Dank. Tschüss, Niemen. Alles Gute.